अब चलिए आलोक पांडे के पास चलते हैं, जो कि लखनऊ में एक मदरसे पर हैं जिसने अभी ये हाइजीन करिकुलम अडॉप्ट कर लिया है। आलोक, जरा बताएंगे आप?
एकदम जी एकदम मैं रैपिड फायर में बोलूंगा जिससे हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपको दिखा पाए हैं। मदरसा शेखुल आलम में है और डॉक्टर कोमल गोस्वामी मेरे साथ हैं जागरण पहल से। कोमल जी, ये बताइए ये क्या है? कैन यू जस्ट स्टार्ट बाय टेलिंग अस व्हाट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट?
Absolutely. Thank you so much. So today we are at a place where we impart education to our children, to the future of our nation, and to those whom we consider as change of agents in Dettol Banega Swasth India program. So COVID-19 has hit us all hard, and some of the institutions that have been affected by it is the education system. Today we are here at Madrasa Sheikhul Alam, where we have tried to create a model madrasa to create an enabling environment for our children when they come back to school, when the parents feel safe, where the parents feel safe for their children to send, for the teacher and staff have the necessary precautions, regulation and standards.
Yeah. So what is this, ma'am?
Absolutely. So this is the hygiene corner in our model madrasa, where we have kept all the essential elements of COVID-19 prevention, etc. We have very important products of Dettol, such as Dettol antiseptic liquid, Dettol sanitizer, Dettol hand wash, where we'll be demonstrating our children how to use them in a very effective way. We also have a soap bank. Soap bank will be distributed. The soap will be collected in this particular soap bank and will be distributed across the community who are in dire need of the help.
Let's just take you that side also. आप उधर भी दिखाना चाहती थी, आप मेरे साथ आ जाइए. I'm just going to walk to this side and just try and show you this washing station here. Ma'am, can you just talk to us about this washing station also?
So we have developed a specific designated hand washing area, maintaining social distancing norm. The entire area is 0%, has 0% contact, and is the entire soap dispensing machine and the sensitizer machine are all sensor based. We have hand washing steps properly designated over here to help our children to wash the hands properly. We also have not just the middle school, but even for the primary school children, we have this designated height adjustable hand washing area.
I think we'll also look at the seating area for the children who come here. If you can just talk to us about what this is.
As we enter into our model classroom, you can see we have this designated foot operating Dettol vending machine, hand sanitizer machine, where we ensure that as soon as a child comes inside the model classroom, where we have kept the desk and everything according to social distancing norm. You can see that they have designated seating area. It is based on the social distancing norm. We have the sanitizers over here, kept over here, ensuring that the students sanitize their hand from time to time.
Let's also end here, ma'am. This looks very interesting. So this was the starting point. हमें शुरू यहाँ से करना चाहिए था, लेकिन अंत यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. ये क्या है बता दें?
So this is the entry point. As soon as children or staff or teachers will enter the madrasa, we'll have a foot operating vending machine that will dispose sanitizer. We also have this health evaluation form that will record the vitals of the student. We have thermal screening. We'll be also providing students the mask over here. So this is the entire structure that we have made to make this madrasa better prepared for a post-COVID world where our children return back safely to the school.
थैंक यू सो मच संकेत. तुम्हारे खौफ में जल्दी करना पड़ा, लेकिन तुमने देखा होगा कि कितना बढ़िया इंतजाम है यहाँ पे और कितने अच्छे से इन्होंने ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, so that whenever the children want to come back here, whenever the government allows it, they can come back with a sense of security, not only for themselves but also their parents.
एब्सोल्युटली आलोक भाई, आप इतने खौफजदा मत होइए.